Right.
Okay, you have 6 shots in here, okay? Good. Take this hand off. That finger there, this hand off. Right here. Slide that hand up more. A little bit more. You don't want any space. Good. Okay, your other hand. Thumb over here. Good. Arm straight out. Look through that notch to that tip. Slowly squeeze on the trigger when you're ready.
Oh, fuck.
Okay? All right, listen. 1 second. Keep your arm straight out there. Hold it with both hands. Look through here for that tip. Bring your thumb down.
Right.
Make sure that tip is even. Cover the 5X. Squeeze the trigger.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
One more. You all right? Slide that hand all the way up. Well, no, not your elbow. Take your finger off. Good, like that. Okay?
Okay, 1, 2.
Whenever you're ready. You're shooting low, you're squeezing on the trigger. Slow, steady squeeze. Too hard on the trigger. Slow, steady squeeze. More. Hey. You're able to see it reacting and moving around a little bit.
All right, we got AR-15s, AK-47, AR. All right, do an AR, a scar heavy, that's a big gun.
Okay, now keep your finger off the trigger because I'm going to walk around and check your shoulder again, okay? Right there. All right, you have 7 shots.
Right.
Put it on the target. Start when you're ready. You're shooting high. Are you using that dot in there? You don't. Do you see the red dot inside the circle?
Actually, my left side is better.
Oh.
Got it.
We can take care of 2 birds with 1 stone here. That tough gun is an platform. It's a 2G3.
So you see better with your left eye.
It's got a red dot and a scope on it. It's a fun gun to shoot. And right below it is the MP-47. Parker camp here. Yeah. Okay.
The same thing?
Nope. Nope. On this side. Yeah. Go ahead, bro. Good. Drop your elbow.
Yes.
Grab it right here. Do you see the dot in there?
Yeah.
All right. That's what you're using to aim at the target.
2 more shots, right?
2 more.
Okay. Go.
Go right ahead. There you go.
0, 1.
Put the shell casings in it. When you were shooting.
Ready? That finger right there. Put your elbow right here. Right there. Cheek down. See the dot in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, right there.
Use that dot to aim at the target. Start when you're ready.
Let's go.
Good.
Pretty good for you there. Wider stance. Good. Lean forward. Head down. See the red dot? Yeah. All right. Here's my surprise.
2 more. Much better. All right, we have an AK right here. Do you want to shoot this one? This one has a smoke. Then we have another AK. The one over there.
要去看别枝啊。
I think we have another wooden one.
the
mechanism back here, and the barrel is in the gun. Right? This is
Alright, so when they're done, we'll just grab one of the AKs out, right?
like British military guys.
Whoever finishes first will try that.
This is how accurate it is. It's supposed to, you know.
All right, I got you guys from over here. All right, elves are my favorite. This is a pain in my ass. This is a you guys just start. How'd you guys like this? This is fun. The scope makes half the fun of this scope. Has anybody used the holographic scope before? When you're looking through, you're going to see a big circle with a red dot. The red dot, you'll hit. They're fantastic. Yeah. The only thing is
Now, when you're lining up the sights, it's going to be the same way you did with the system. You're going to be on the gun. You're going to look right here. So that's it. In front of the gun. Make sure it's and that's what you're going to stay with the target. So no bullets or anything right now. You're going to have to do a shot.
Hold on, no fire.
Now you see that tip even across the knot? Okay, when you're ready, go right ahead and take it. Same as before, you're going to have 7 shots. Okay?
Both on.
yeah.
Hey, George, I want to see him on the line. That's the wire, George. I'll hold my breath. Like, close your eyes.
Yeah. Good, right?
Yes, it is.
That was excellent.
Estás tremendo.
You have to relax.
Oh, you don't do it first. I suckered you the last time. All right. Right.
See that?
Hey, get
Bring it down. Right there. You see that tip even straight across the top?
Yep.
Okay, when you're ready, move target to yours. Go right ahead and begin.
Wow. Wow.
You all right?
Yeah,
You have
okay.
2 more.
Well done. Good job. Pretty smooth though, isn't it?
All right, guys, we're gonna split you guys up now. We got some.
You all right?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any one of those, top or bottom.
Okay, 5 up.
Okay, now use your hand, lock that up. Perfect. 5 shots. I'm gonna hand you your rounds, and you're gonna shoot as you're ready to. Okay. Now, is that body part comfortable? Do you want me to lower the legs or raise them a little bit?
What do you mean?
It's comfortable the way it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Right here. Perfect. Right at 4. Keep your finger off the trigger when you're doing that. There you go. If at any time you cannot see clearly, just slide your face closer to the scope. Use your left hand to hold the gun right here.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know, because you're a perfectionist. As long as we keep this distance, no.
Like it?
Yeah.
Then it's smacking. Oh, still fine, right? But I'm not.
Last one.
I could spend all day.
Good.
Good. Good. Good. Good.